Golden Alumni ni tatay. Nagabiradas tatay. Sabi lang. Nakamaan na dyan. New ngayon na papanginaon ni tatay untak la lagi ka pangagda joke lang ba kumaan joke ngayon na pangamuala no 2026 na golden alumni kang Central Silver 2001 Inday Kinet ito ang mga lagaw Inday Kinet 2005 kagali Ginel na ito sanda gali grupo mo Ginel na 2001 nakita na pa zero the batch ni Ginel 2001 and 2000 wala wala nga mo na 2000 medyo na ito silver watching naka-central nga alumni golden kanay tatay silver mo dyan kanay Ginel na 2001 golden kanay tatay tatay na kamukal lang hindi mamabi tapos kanay Ginel to sa punta
once again, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant evening to each and everyone. I know that you are enjoying your dinner tonight. As you enjoy your dinner, still we will have our raffle draw prepared for you. Let's start our raffle draw. I know everyone is excited. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy your food tonight.
Galantos pertama.
So as you enjoy your chicas, your catch-up session with your friends, make sure that you listen as we announce the winners for our next raffle draw segment.
Yes, base pala mawili ka istorya, kag malipatan mo ka inungalan ginalawag na diri sa atubangan. And partner! So we're going to pick the next winner for our raffle draw. We have from Batch.
From Batch 1991.
Wow! Batch 1991. We have.
From Batch 1991, congratulations to Mochocana Eman Nailan.
Yes, please claim your prize here in front. Mochocana Eman Nailan. From Batch 1991.
May pagkaon ako.
So where is our winner? Kahulat na ang imong prize. Dija sa kumbangan.
Ano na? Si Sir Naka Blue with
Wow!
So we're attending first time in this Euro match, 1976!
Ha?
First time sumuot na Tingion. Kanina nagabot namin sila. So, we have
Congratulations to Pang Pacifico Bombero! Congratulations, sir!
grabe, no way, last year, match 1976, the Golden Jubilarians.
Kambal ba ni Taylor Swift partner? They're golden.
Yes! Ako na siguro laki sila tama, no? Yes, sir, may mga, ano yung picture taking as remembrance.